I'm going to show you how to mint an ordinal using a personal license with JTC Ordinals. You're going to go to ordinals.jurat.io or directly to our minting page at minting.jurat.io. And you're going to start by selecting your inscription type. I'm going to use a text-based ordinal today, but you can also upload a PNG currently, and in the future we'll support other file types. I'm going to add my message up to 12,000 words, and I'm going to continue by agreeing to the Jurat terms of use. I'm going to select my personal license type. With a personal license, this gives me the ability to use this ordinal personally, and if I were to sell it to somebody else, they would not be able to use it in a commercial sense. It would only allow them personal rights. And upon the ordinal being sold, I can collect royalties if I'd like as the creator of this ordinal. If to do so, you'll just select yes, add the royalty amount, followed by the address in which you want the royalties to be received. And then you'll need to, if you haven't already, create your own Jurat wallet specifically for your ordinals. This is a really important step as the blockchain does not know how to read whether or not it is an ordinal or JTC in your wallet. And you wouldn't want to accidentally send an ordinal instead of sending JTC. So make sure to create a wallet address just for your ordinals. Select the address, click continue, and you have the choice to pay with JTC or USDC. With USDC, you would just connect your MetaMask. With JTC, you're going to copy this address and you're going to send 0.01 JTC to it within 48 hours of this request. If you do not do so, the request will time out. So I'm just going to click continue and I will send my Jurat to that address. That's how you mint a JTC ordinal using the personal license.